Let's go over this cross necklace from GTMJ. I'm gonna go over the build quality and materials, show you what you get in the box, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So this is a men's cross necklace that combines natural ebony wood with stainless steel. So it's designed for everyday wear, and it's kind of, you just put it on and you forget about it. You don't have to worry about it falling apart. All right, let's have a look at what you get. So you've got the nice little jewelry box. We'll go ahead and open it. Really nice touch on the box. Then we have this little card. Open it up and we get a nice little cleaning cloth. Can never have enough of these. And then we also have a velvet pouch to put the necklace in. Another nice touch. Then of course we have the necklace itself. Go ahead and take that out. Pull the little tab here to pull it out. So again, the cross is made from natural ebony wood, and it has this stainless steel frame that you can see. And what's nice about this is each piece is slightly different because of the natural wood grain. So get a little bit of a closer look there. So you're getting something pretty unique. And the matte black ebony paired with the black stainless steel gives it a really sleek and really sophisticated look to it. And then we have the chain. The chain is 316L stainless steel, which is military grade. So it's the same stuff they use in surgical equipment. It's sweat resistant, so you don't have to worry about it degrading if you wear it to the gym or outdoors, which is always good. And the build quality here is actually solid. The edges are nice and smooth, so nothing feels sharp and it feels substantial without being too heavy. I've been wearing it and it hasn't shown any signs of tarnishing at all, which is really nice. You do have problems with some necklaces. So the cross measures 45 millimeters by 33 millimeters, so about 1.75 inches tall. So it's not huge. Go ahead and compare it to this AirPod case, just so you can see how big it is. So if you're looking for something really bold that stands out, this might be too small. It might be smaller than you expect. But for everyday wear, personally, I think it's the perfect size. Okay, and the chain is adjustable from 24 to 26 inches with a 3 millimeter width. That means you can slip it over your head without dealing with a clasp, which is nice. It also sits comfortably without hanging too low or sagging. So we'll go ahead and show you. Go ahead and just get the clasp right here. Just unhook that. Okay. And you have 3 loops right here where you can change the length. One right here, one in the middle, and one right there. So if you prefer a shorter chain that sits higher on your chest, like 18 to 20 inches, you might want to swap it out. But for most people, this length will work really well. And what I really like about it is just how they secured the wood to the metal. It's just, again, a real premium feel to it. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. I feel like I could drop this and I would have no problem at all, just not breaking it. Let's go ahead and put this on. Just so you can see, fits over nicely. I have the cross right there. So I have the medium setting, the middle chain, what is what it's set to. So you can see it looks real nice. Easily just tuck it away. Also, see the chain. So who should get this? Really anyone who wants a quality cross necklace that looks good and doesn't require any type of maintenance care and will last. So if you're looking for something you can wear every day, work, gym, whatever, this cross handles it. And of course, it's a really solid gift option. The presentation with the jewelry box, as you saw, and the velvet pouch, and the little cleaner cloth, it's just great for a gift. So this might not be for you if you want something just really large and you want a really bold cross that makes a big statement. It's a little bit more understated than that. Also, if you prefer a shorter chain, you'll want a different cross as well. So the combination of natural ebony and stainless steel looks really nice. The build quality is solid and it's designed to hold up to everyday wear. And if you're in the market for a men's cross necklace that looks good without being flashy, this is definitely one I would recommend.